Hello everybody, so today we're going to learn how to do the concha nail. For people that don't know what's a concha, it's pretty much the Mexican sweetbread. If you want to learn how to do it, stay tuned. Okay you guys, so to start off, every time you do 3D work, you do want to go ahead and get some new monomer. Go ahead and have a little damping dish with clean monomer. You want to add a couple of drops of acetone. This pretty much depending on the weather. If it's cold, it's going to help you so your monomer don't be as runny. For my base, I am using Victoria's Collection number 6 from Valentino. To do my 3D art, I am using Soft Touch. Pretty much just go ahead and we're gonna start off by the cuticle and do little different shapes. Have fun with it, don't break your head. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. The conchas are not perfect, so just have fun with it. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see on my other nail, I do have a concha as well as on my ring finger. I am obsessed with the concha nails right now. I actually saw a girl on Instagram that she had her nails done like that, and oh my god, it was so cute. So of course I had to get my concha nail. I'm gonna try to see if I can find it so I could link her or put her name out there, because I did get it inspired by her. Or if you guys know her name, please just feel free to add it on the comments. Excuse me. Please, this is a first video for me. I know I'm not the greatest, but if you guys like it, please stay tuned. Please, no rude comments. I'm not here for that shit. I don't got time for it. I don't want to hear it. So if you don't like it, close the video, go on to the next, go on with your life, and I'm going on with mine. So yeah. Okay. So I didn't like it, so I did take it off. See, we all make mistakes. If you don't like something, remove it and continue. I did remove the second line, all of it, and I did file it a little bit so it won't be as bumpy, and it'll be easier for me to apply the acrylic and do the shapes that I want. So yeah, I pretty much finished the whole nail, do different shapes, designs. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, the conchas are not perfect. Just have fun with it and enjoy it. This is actually the third concha that I do. And oh my god, they're so cute. I am right-handed, so it's really hard to do my right hand. I love my concha on my left hand. As you guys, I will let you guys see it at the end of the video, because I will be showing you guys both of my hands. But yeah, if you guys like my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you guys have any recommendations for me, any advice on recording videos, let me know. I'm all open ears. I'm here to listen, and I will be learning with you guys, and I promise little by little my videos be coming out good. Thank you guys. So this is the final result. I am obsessed. I love it. Those are both of my concha nails. That's the other one off because I don't have acrylic all over the place. I am gonna add a little bit of cuticle oil because my cuticles are a little crusty. I'm using the Young Nails rose oil. I love it. It smells good and it works really well. But yeah, so this is the final result. Like I said, I'm obsessed. Let me know in the comments below if you guys liked it and if you guys want to see more videos.